This is. These are. Super simple English lessons. Subscribe to our channel. Hello. My name is Sammy. These are my friends. This is a giraffe. It is tall. This is a lion. It is strong. This is a rabbit. It is fast. This is an owl. It is clever. This is a crocodile. It is green. These are rhinos. They are big. These are tigers. They are fast. These are hippos. They are funny. These are snakes. They are long. These are parrots. They are pretty. Now it's your turn. Introduce my friends. What is this? This is a giraffe. What is this? This is a lion. What is this? This is a rabbit. What is this? This is an owl. What is this? This is a crocodile. What are these? These are rhinos. What are these? These are tigers. What are these? These are hippos. What are these? These are snakes. What are these? These are parrots. Now you know my friends. Tell me about your friends. See you in the jungle. Super simple English lessons. Thanks for watching. Like the video.